Every ending is a new beginning. When a year ends, a new year starts. When your class over, a new class starts. Your past is your history, your future is your mystery. You have only the reality. So, according to your reality, live your life. When the sun sets, a new morning waits for us. When one chapter of our life closes, a new chapter, a new opportunity is always there to open. Sometimes we fail in our exam, sometimes we fail in our competition, sometimes we do not achieve what we wanted, and that time we feel disappointed. But always remember, an ending is not the end of your life story. It is like just the ending of the one page. Remember Thomas Albert Edison, who invented this electric bulb. If he had stopped after his failure, then the world would have lost one of the greatest inventions. The same thing happened in our life. The same thing happened in our journey of learning English or anything that we want to achieve. Many of the learners, many of the enthusiastic persons, many of the students always think that they cannot speak English. They cannot achieve that thing what he had once wanted. They always think that they make mistakes many times. They always think that people laugh at them. But making mistakes is not the ending, it's the beginning of self-improvement. Unless you mispronounce a words, you cannot learn the correct pronunciation. Unless you can't make mistake, you cannot learn how to rectify it, how to correct it, how to amend it. When you try to speak a sentence, when you try to form a sentence, sometimes you make mistakes, but that is the main point when you realize that how to create, how to make a sentence, how to utilize those sentences in your English. So mind one thing is that never give up. Keep one thing is that never give up. Remember, the awkward conversation is not your ending, it's only your beginning. One more thing, a child always falls many times to walk, to learn how to walk, but he never give up. Remember one thing, everything is like ending, everything has an ending. Your friendship, what you have today, will end someday. Your love will forsake you someday, maybe. Your achievement will rise someday only with one your mistakes. Difficult time ends, hope ends, but what remains, it is hope and confidence. New journey begin again after the old journey. Therefore, always whenever one door is there closed, the another door is always open for you. If you are struggling to speak in English, then it is the only one way to improve yourself, to improve your communication skills, and that is practice, practice, practice. Never be afraid to speak, afraid to be not trying. If you are an aspirant, if you want to crack any exam, any competitive exam, then it is my humble request, never give up. Once a legend said that if you can't get victory, you can guide others. You will find the way, the truth of your life, that how to live life. That is why I always say that every end is a new beginning. I know that making time is so difficult for the person like me who always spend time in difficulties. Anyhow, I make my time to shoot videos. At least on my previous videos on my channel, on my previous video, you can see that there are many videos I shoot. But now I am not getting proper time to shoot videos. So guys, enough for today. I am sweating too much. So please do subscribe the channel, like this video. Till then, bye bye.